Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best wireless rotary tattoo machine review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Big Wasp V81 Wireless Rotary Tattoo Machine. This machine looks premium and feels solid. It's made from durable alloy and comes in multiple colors like black, gray, and army green. The grip is comfortable, and at around 219 grams, it's well balanced for long sessions. The V81 is powered by a Japan motor with up to 11,000 revolutions per minute, delivering smooth and consistent performance. It has a 3.5mm stroke, making it great for both lining and shading, and the needle depth is adjustable up to 4.8mm. You also get a clear LED screen display, showing voltage, battery, and working time in real time. This machine comes with two 1,800 mAh batteries, giving you around 5 to 7 hours of working time. Charging takes about 2 to 3 hours via Type-C, and voltage can be adjusted from 4 volt to 12 volt with very precise 0.1 volt control. It also includes useful features like time recording and safety protections such as overload and short circuit protection, which automatically shut off the machine if needed. Overall, the Big Wasp V81 is a reliable, feature-packed wireless tattoo machine perfect for artists who want power, safety, and long battery life. Number 4. JCTP083 Wireless Rotary Tattoo Machine. This machine runs on a powerful brushless motor, delivering around 6,500 revolutions per minute at 8 volt, which means stable and smooth performance. It comes with a 4.0mm stroke, making it great for both lining and shading. You also get 2 working modes, including a dot work mode, which is perfect for detailed designs. This tattoo machine visible color digital screen display, it looks super clean and shows everything clearly, like voltage, battery level, speed, and working time. The design is sleek, with a non-slip grip, making it comfortable for long sessions. The battery is 1,000 mAh, giving you around 2 to 3 hours of working time, and it charges in about 1 hour via USB-C. In real use, the machine feels responsive, with low noise and good control, especially for beginners or short sessions. You can easily adjust voltage using the buttons, and the interface is very user-friendly. The color screen also makes it easier to monitor your settings in real time, which is a nice upgrade compared to basic machines. Overall, the JCTP083 is a solid choice for beginners and artists who want a modern, easy-to-use wireless tattoo pen. Number 3. Chconli R4 Wireless Rotary Tattoo Machine. This tattoo machine built with aircraft-grade aluminum, making it durable yet comfortable for long sessions. You also get 2 grip options, 34mm and 38mm, so you can choose what fits your hand best. The R4 is powered by a custom coreless brushless motor, giving you smooth, consistent performance with minimal vibration. It offers 3 stroke options, 3.5mm, 4.2mm, and 5.0mm, which makes it perfect for lining, shading, and color packing. You also get a smart LED display where you can adjust voltage in 0.1 volt increments, giving you super precise control. This machine comes with 2 1,800 mAh batteries, giving you around 6 to 8 hours of working time. Charging takes about 1.5 to 2 hours, which is pretty efficient. The R4 feels very stable and powerful. It runs smoothly between 5 to 12 volts, handling everything from fine lines to heavy shading without any issues. Overall, the Chconli R4 is a versatile, professional-grade tattoo machine, definitely a great choice for artists who want power, control, and flexibility. Number 2. Elong K5 Wireless Rotary Tattoo Machine. It's made from aviation aluminum alloy, so it feels strong but still comfortable in hand. The grip is solid and the overall design is very modern and clean. The K5 comes with a coreless motor, which gives you smooth and consistent performance, perfect for lining and shading. It has a 2000 mAh battery, giving you around 4 to 8 hours of working time, and the best part, it comes with 2 replaceable batteries, so you can keep working without interruption. There's also a digital LCD display that shows voltage and battery life in real time. One unique feature is the built-in LED light, which helps you work clearly even in low-light environments. You can also use it in 2 ways: wireless or with a cable, which adds flexibility depending on your setup. Voltage is adjustable from 5 volt to 12 volt, making it suitable for different tattoo styles. The machine runs very stable with minimal vibration. It handles lining, shading, and color work pretty smoothly, especially around the 7 to 8 volt range. Overall, the Elong K5 is a solid, versatile tattoo machine, great value for the price, and definitely worth trying out. Number 1. Ambition Soldier Wireless Rotary Tattoo Machine. This machine made from aluminum alloy, so it's lightweight but still very solid. The design is clean, modern, and comfortable in hand, perfect for long sessions. This machine comes with a Japan coreless motor, which means smooth and consistent performance. It handles lining, shading, and color packing really well. You also get a 2400 mAh wireless battery, giving you around 6+ hours of working time at normal voltage. Charging takes about 1.5 to 2 hours, which is pretty fast. The LED digital display is a big plus. You can see your voltage, battery level, and working time in real time. In terms of performance, it runs between 5 to 12 volts, so it's very versatile. Whether you're doing fine lines or bold traditional work, it stays stable and powerful. The stroke options 4.0, 4.2, and 4.5 mm make it suitable for different styles, which is great if you don't want multiple machines. Overall, the Ambition Soldier is an excellent wireless tattoo machine for both beginners and professionals.